Okay, part 2. Having trouble getting the first part to load. So we'll go ahead and make part 2 here. So we still have 3 functions, the same 3 functions, h, g, and f. Figure out these 3 problems for me, please. I'd appreciate it. So f of 5, 3 times 5 is 15. Minus g of negative 2 would be negative 2 plus 4 is 2. So the answer is 13. F of 6 divided by 3. F of 6 would be 3 times 6 is 18. Divided by 3 is 6. H of negative 3, we put that in for x. So it'd be negative 3 quantity squared minus 3 times negative 3 plus f of negative 2. F says triple it. So that would be negative 3 squared is 9. Minus a minus is plus 9. Plus a negative 6. So 18 minus 6 is 12. Okay, see if you can figure out this one problem. What would you put in for x that would cause this to be 0? That is the question. So what you could do is to say, when is x plus 4 equal to 0? So you'd subtract 4. And that's the answer when we put in negative 4. So 4 times f of 2. First thing we do is to find f of 2. F of 2 would be 3 times 2, so it'd be 4 times 6. 3 times 2 is 6. So that would be 24. This one is called a composition. You're taking a function of a function. So we find g1. So g1 would be 1 plus 4 is 5. So I replace g1 with the number 5. So I'd have h of 5. Then h of 5, we'd put 5 in for x. So we'd have 5 squared minus 3 times 5. So that would be 25 minus 15, which is 10. So figure out this composition right now for me, please. I'd appreciate it. Here's the original functions if you didn't write them down. So then you're trying to do f of h of negative 1. So freeze the video, do it, and then turn it back on. So h of negative 1 would be negative 1 squared is 1. Minus 3 times negative 1 would be minus 3, so it'd be plus 3. So it'd be 1 plus 3 is 4. So I can replace this with what it's equal to, and that's 4. So I'd have f of 4. So now I look to see what is f of 4. Well, you go 3 times 4 is 12. Now, the homework is in Schoology. It's the second thing in the list that I put. So here is the homework if you don't want to go to Schoology. So functions are at the top, and then there's the problems. But I'm going to put this in Schoology in just a couple minutes. So have a good day.